Hi everyone, so these are some of the specifications about the park. Made a stop at the Tim Hortons and we went to the park around afternoon. The park is located in South Surrey and this is a nature area. This is a great place to encounter some shorebirds, but unfortunately we were not able to see any at that time. From the parking lot, we walked towards this gravel road. It was a pretty sunny day and we were really excited. The gravel road took us to this beautiful area. Then we had some fun together, looking at beautiful water and the train. The trail follows near the shore and away from the noisy highway. We let our baby have some fun and to make himself dirty. We have been here before, but the area seems different than before. It is even more beautiful. I guess you can come here to have some beautiful pictures with the family or like maybe for engagement or something. We had to hold our baby in between because he was denying to walk and kept on sitting on the gravel path. We had so much fun. I would suggest having the stroller if you have a baby. That would have been easier. We forgot that in the car. We tried to share the responsibility. This was my turn on holding him. It was quite a fun. The trail is not very long. The trail is actually a loop that takes you back to the parking lot. We have also seen some people cycling here. So, overall, we had a nice time. Thank you so much for watching.